Hello everyone, Fatty from Pack a Punch Traders back after a week of pretty much just burnout. Um, but yeah, we're back now, fresh with a watch list. Not that long of a watch list compared to usual, just trying to really dial it in and focus on what I really think has the momentum behind it to continue or follow through with a pattern. So we got two right here, AGLE and ASTI as the top watchers so far. ASTI looking for that multi-day bounce. Went pretty much from 3 to 7.5, giving that 150% move, and now we're well off the highs. So hasn't really shown any bounce, but it is trying to bottom out. It had a solid bottom around the 280s here, and barely cracked it. Got to 260 or so, and here we are making a higher low. So maybe this is showing it's having a hard time really breaking down lower and lower. This could lead to short starting the lock-in profits, the buyers recognizing a momentum shift and joining in as well, leading to a spike in demand, which would give us what we usually look for, average 30% move on this pattern. So ASTI, one of the main ones to watch for tomorrow, and then AGLE. This one here already having a solid move from 50 cents to 113, and decent retreat here, but solid demand. So we're gonna keep an eye to see if it can get back above 1, because here we have 1 being a key area, the low ones, 105, 106 here, and then here we got 104, 105, and then we got a quick perk to 113. So I'm thinking if this can fail to break down, reclaim the low ones, that could lead to a squeeze to the 113 area, previous high a day, and from there I think it can try to fill this gap and get to the mid ones. So we'll see if we have the demand. We're going to keep an eye on the volume. We already have a decent spike in volume. We'll see if it's able to sustain this and give us even more to get that squeeze going. So as we've said before, demand is what drives prices higher. So I'm going to focus on the volume to see how much selling is coming through compared to demand, and is it still holding trend, key levels. Let's go intraday here. So overall, still it held up pretty well. Hold VWAP, kept making higher lows into the close. So we'll see how this thing opens up. If it fails to really break down, or if it gives a weak breakdown, that could lead to a decent dead buy opportunity to come back above 1. So we'll see how this works out, but I'm really liking to focus on it getting back above 1. That would be a key area. As we can see here, I had this first try, got stuffed at 1, gave this quick perk, but retreated right away. So the low ones are going to be key, and then after hours here, it gets stuffed in the low ones. So if it can get back above that, that could lead to a lot of shorts getting squeezed out. So we'll just wrap it up there. Hope everyone had a great weekend, great week pretty much, since I haven't done anything on YouTube since last Sunday. But yeah, so we're back now. Hope everyone had a great weekend, studied up, refreshed, and ready to attack tomorrow. Have a great one, y'all.